Hey guys, so the Poco F1 is one of the most competitively priced smartphone out there. It offers Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, 6GB of RAM, 64GB of storage just for $389 or €329. But not everyone can afford to spend that on a smartphone, and it now seems as though a solution might be on the way. A few hours ago, a device by the name Xiaomi Poco F1 Lite was seen on Geekbench, which means Xiaomi's sub-brand Pocophone is developing a slightly less powerful device that will be offered to consumers at a much lower price. Rather than including the high-end Snapdragon 845, the device will be featuring Qualcomm's mid-range Snapdragon 660 processor. The chip has already been succeeded by the newer Snapdragon 670 and 675, but should still provide a decent level of performance. In fact, Xiaomi recently used it inside the Redmi Note 7 and the Android One-powered Xiaomi Mi A2. The smartphone, which is codenamed Uranus, also includes a respectable 4GB of RAM and Android 9 Pie straight out of the box. As for external features, the notch display and 3.5mm headphone jack will probably both be retained. Xiaomi may also keep the second rear camera, although a downgrade to the sensor is likely. At the moment, it's unclear when this smartphone will hit shelves across the globe, but pricing-wise, Xiaomi could easily price this device below $200. After all, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 mentioned before cost just €179 or $202 in Europe. According to Nashville Chatter Class, who first reported the sighting of the Poco F1 Lite, they also spotted a phone by the name of Xiaomi Uranus earlier today on Geekbench. There are speculations that the Poco F1 Lite is the same device as Xiaomi Uranus, as their scores and specs are similar. Lastly, I advise you to take these sightings with a pinch of salt. This isn't the first time we have seen an unknown Xiaomi device appears on Geekbench that eventually never launched. If the Poco F1 Lite does exist, more details should surface in the coming weeks. So that is it for this video. Let me know what you think about Poco F1 Lite. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video.